Everybody, and welcome back to Slaughter Food Creations. This is Paulie here, and today I've got a gorgeous piece of salmon here. I got this from my local fishmonger. His name is Luke, and we are going to cook this up today in a Chipotle-Agave Glaze. So be ready for that. Look at that. That is a gorgeous piece of salmon. Anyway, I've got my pan heating up here. It's going to get up to medium-high heat or so. And along with this, I'm going to make a Chipotle-lime rice. That I've already done. Not Chipotle-lime, I'm sorry, cilantro-lime. Anyway, cilantro-lime rice. It's warm over here and ready. It doesn't take long to cook our salmon, so we'll get right into this. I'm going to go ahead and get this seasoned up and get it ready to go. Just some kosher salt. On each side. And our pan will be ready to go here. It's a non-stick, and this is a high-end. This is diamond coated, so it's a high-end skillet. So we're going to get a nice, good sear on our salmon here. Alright, our pan is smoking, so I'm going to go ahead and add to this a tablespoon or so of unsalted butter. Let that get melted down. We'll go ahead and go in there with our salmon for about 3 minutes, skin side down. Skin side down for about 3 minutes, and go ahead and press it down. Don't be afraid to get the skin completely against the skillet there. And we'll just let it sit. Alright, our salmon's been going for about 3 minutes, so I'm getting ready to give it a flip, and we'll let it sit on the other side for about a minute and a half or so. Gorgeous. So we'll let this go for about another minute and a half before we remove it from the heat. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get ready to remove our salmon here from the skillet. We'll let it rest here. And while it's going to rest there, we'll go ahead and get our sauce started. So we're going to go in with a clove of garlic. And let that go for about 45 seconds or so. Alright, to our garlic, we're going to go in with a couple tablespoons of Chipotle and adobo sauce. So a couple of those, like so. Some lime juice, a couple tablespoons of lime juice. And you see I have it removed off the heat there because our pan was still kind of hot. I'm going to reduce our heat and let this reduce down some. I haven't put it back on the heat much here because it's kind of hot still. So you got to know your heat source, how much heat you got going. But we'll let this reduce down. I'm going to hit it with a couple tablespoons of agave. Let it continue to reduce down. Okay, I've completely turned the heat off. It's finishing the reducing process. I'm going to add another half a tablespoon of butter. While that's emulsifying, we'll go ahead and put our salmon back in. And we'll let that continue reducing down, as well as finishing off the salmon. Go ahead and start glazing it. And we'll get ready to plate up here. And I already have the heat turned off now. Alright, we've got some of our rice here, our cilantro-lime rice. We'll go ahead and put that on a plate here, like so. It's a big piece of fish, so we'll need a nice generous size amount there of rice to go with it, like so. And our fish is ready to take out of the skillet here. Gorgeous. Like so. Alright, we'll go ahead and add a little more of our sauce here. Gorgeous, I tell ya. But anyway, there you have it. Our salmon and Chipotle-Agave Glaze. Cilantro-lime rice. Good. See you next time. Thank you for watching Slaughter Food Creations.